Tell me why it shouldn't be true that I get somebody hurt me from despair. I'm sure that if I took even one step, it would pull me to the very too. But I get every time I see you staying there for me. I get though it's clear to see you honestly, you not to. I get